So guys, I want today to introduce you to my 40-year-old National Panasonic compact disc music that used to come in detachable speakers. This particular model, I bought it way back in 1987 and it has been working since then. So today I want to just to demonstrate briefly of how it used to work. It used to come in radio cassette with an FM radio, shortwave radio, and a medium radio stations. So the FM is still working. You can still hear my radio is working. It had the graphic equalizers. See the graphic equalizers. So and they used to come with a radio compact disc. That is a cassette. So the cassette is still working. This is the cassette. You can see the cassette, and it is still working. So you used to put the cassette, then you change the mode here to music, then you play, and then see it's still working. So that is the cassette still working, and then at the end the graphic equalizers. Yeah. So I'm fearing to get the copyright of it. Otherwise, I would play the music. You could record the music even from another cassette or from a radio using the recorder. It had auto stop. Auto stop meant that when you play the music and comes to the head, it could just put itself off. And then you under this button where you used to adjust from for the speakers. If you want the left or right speaker to balance, actually it's a balance for right and left speakers. So you can see. So it's left and right, and then it used to come in detachable speakers. So basically, if I turn it a bit loud, you will see how the speakers were connected. This particular model used to come with the speakers connected with a button here, and you could just remove it, and then you slide the back this one up. See the speaker, and this is how the speakers used to be. Very powerful speakers. They are still powerful. They are still very organic. They produce very organic music. They have never baffled. This is a 40-year-old speaker that is as good as new. Then you could also remove the other speaker. See, they were very easy to remove. Okay, you could remove the speaker like this. Then now you're left with the radio, just like that. And the speakers, you could now attach them. Like this particular one, the cable is just here. This is the cable, whereby you would connect. And it was very easy to connect. So if I wanted now to connect this speaker, particularly, you just come here. I don't know whether you see down here. There's the red button and the black one. So you just put the wire of the speaker inside here. Just a minute. There's a small hole here. Put it, and then the other one the same. Once that is done, you come and do the same on the speaker. So the length of the wire dependent on how far you want your speaker to go. Then you just connect again here. And once you have connected, let me connect like this. And now you could be able to put the speaker wherever you want it to go. So this is how they used to be. Well, I've disconnected the power. Let me put back the power. Give me a minute. This is the power cable. Which is now connected. And then now you once it's connected, you could just play the radio or play the speaker. So if it is the radio, you have to put it here. Or now if I've disconnected, I've not connected the speaker as well. And now if you play the cassette, you just also play it from here. These radios actually used to be very, very powerful, and they are still powerful, and they have worked all these years. If you left it, it's heavy. It used to be like 7.2 or 3 kilograms heavier when it's loaded with the speakers and the batteries. It used to work on if you don't have the electricity, you can also use the batteries, size C batteries. 8 of them, 8 size C batteries, and that was enough to play the music for the whole night. So basically, this is wanted to show you this basic radio. It's one of my most favorite radio, which I've kept all these years, and which I'm able to play my disc, my cassette disc, which I still have. And the new generation does not know how I used to play this. Because after this, there came the CDs. After the CDs, we went to what? Bluetooth. Now we are from to DVD, then Bluetooth. Now I think we are in the music streaming, and so on and so forth. So music has evolved in the last few years. So if you want now to connect back, you just write this speaker. It was very easy to connect, right and left. Just there is this group like this. Then once you do that, you connect back here. So that speaker starts functioning almost immediately if the power is still there. And so the other one also you connect the same. And then you connect all of them together, and you continue playing your radio music.
It's okay, lakini women can learn. No.
Skiza that the bass.
Tantoro asitakan tu into madaman. Minimum ya 8 hours. Ngoro de 9 hours. Ruki iri da rimwe da inya egento da inyanya.
So that's how powerful these radios used to be, and they are still powerful. So that is the basic. That's how the radio is. That's my most favorite radio machine that I've been having for so many years, and this is where it is. So thank you very much for watching this video. I hope you subscribe to my channel so that I can be able to show you more of this obsolete equipment that I have, and most of them are working. Some of you have never seen a fax machine, which I'll show you soon, and quite a number of other gadgets. Thank you very much. This is Joseph signing out. See you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.